Hello friends, welcome back once again to my channel.
Today I am going to start with exercise 6.4 of the chapter fraction. So the first question is, we have to compare the given fraction and replace the blank space by the appropriate sign of greater to or lesser to. So the first fraction is 3 by 6 and 5 by 6. So here, as you can see, denominator is the same. So the numerator with the bigger number is always greater. So 5 by 6 is greater than 3 by 6. Second one, 2 by 7, 2 by 5. अब यहाँ देखिए न्यूमरेटर इज द सेम बट डिनोमिनेटर इज डिफरेंट. अब यहाँ पे याद रखिए दैट व्हेन न्यूमरेटर इज द सेम देन इन डिनोमिनेटर द नंबर, द स्मॉलर नंबर इज द ग्रेटर फ्रैक्शन. द फ्रैक्शन विद स्मॉलर डिनोमिनेटर इज ग्रेटर. यहाँ डिनोमिनेटर में कौन सा नंबर छोटा है? 5. 5 is smaller than 7. Hence this fraction is bigger than 2 by 7. Third one, 3 by 5, 4 by 5. It's very easy. 4 by 5, denominator is the same. Fourth one, 4 by 7, 4 by 9. So 4 by 7 is greater than 4 by 9. Question number 2. Again, we have to replace the empty space by the appropriate sign of greater to, lesser to or equal to. So let me begin. The first one is 1 by 2 and 1 by 5. So here numerator is the same. So in denominator with the smaller digit is greater. So 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 5. Second one, the sum is 2 by 4 and 3 by 6. अच्छा, एक चीज़ ख्याल रखिएगा कि whenever you have a fraction, try to reduce them. अगर reduce होता है तो very good, वो हमारा calculation और easy कर देता है. तो ये देखिए 2 ones are 2 twos are 3 ones are 3 twos are. तो अल्टीमेटली हम लोगों को यहाँ क्या मिला? 1 by 2 1 by 2. मतलब क्या हो गया? बोथ द फ्रैक्शंस आर इक्वल. हमारा कैलकुलेशन बिल्कुल सिंपल हो गया. थर्ड वन, 7 by 9, 3 by 9. Denominator is the same. So numerator with the greater number is greater, that fraction is greater. So 7 by 9 is greater than 3 by 9. Then comes number 4. Number 4 हमारा है 3 by 4 and 2 by 8. 3 by 4 हम डिड्यूस नहीं कर सकते. यहाँ 2 ones are 2 fours are. तो और हमारा क्या बचा? 3 by 4 ब्लैंक स्पेस 1 by 4, क्योंकि हम लोग यहाँ 2 by 8 को रिड्यूस किए. अब यहाँ देखिए डिनोमिनेटर इज द सेम 4 and 4. दैट मीन्स इन न्यूमरेटर 3 by 4, दैट मीन्स द फ्रैक्शन 3 by 4 is greater than the fraction 1 by 4. Question number 3. Now we have to compare the following pairs of fraction. So the first one is 5 by 9 and 4 by 5. तो यहाँ हम लोगों को LCM निकालना है. LCM will be 45 एंड आगे का प्रोसेस आई होप आप लोगों को आ जाना चाहिए अब तक. 9 5s are 5 5s are is 25. Then comes 36, that is 25 by 45 and 36 by 45. तो यहाँ हमारा डिनोमिनेटर सेम हो गया. So the greater fraction is, the bigger one is no doubt 36 by 45. अब हम लोग उसका एक्चुअल नंबर लिखते हैं, एक्चुअल फ्रैक्शन लिख देते हैं. So 4 by 5 is greater than 5 by 9. Second one, 9 by 16 and 5 by 9. So we need to take out the LCM. The LCM is 144. ऊपर का कैलकुलेशन करने के बाद the answer will be 81 and here 80. अब हम लोग इसको स्प्लिट करेंगे. 81 by 144 and 80 by 144. तो 81 by 144 is greater. अब हम लोग इसका एक्चुअल फ्रैक्शन लिखेंगे, that is 9 by 16 and here it is 5 by 9. So 9 by 16 is greater than 5 by 9. Question number 4. Again we have to fill in the boxes with the symbol of greater to or lesser to in order to make the given statement true. So the first one is 5 by 11 blank 3 by 7. तो हम लोग इसका LCM निकालते हैं in order to find out, क्योंकि ये कुछ ना रिड्यूस हो रहा है ना कुछ. So the LCM will be 77. So 35 by 77, 33 by 77. So no doubt 35 is greater. तो हम लोग उसका एक्चुअल फ्रैक्शन मेंशन करेंगे, that is 5 by 11 is greater than 3 by 7. Second part, 8 by 15 and 3 by 5. So the LCM will be 15, 8 and 9. Now I am going to separate them. 8 by 15, 9 by 15. So no doubt 9 is greater. Or now I am going to write the actual fraction. 8 by 15, 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 is greater than 8 by 15. Subpart 3, 11 by 14, 29 by 35. So LCM is 70, 55, 58. उसको हम लोग सेपरेट करते हैं. So 58 by 70 is greater. Now I will write the actual fraction. So 29 by 35 is greater than 11 by 14. Fourth one, 13 by 27, 15 by 48. So LCM 432, that will give us 208, 135. So 208 by 432 and 135 by 432. So 208 is greater. Now I will write the actual fraction. So 13 by 27 is greater than. Question number 5. We have to arrange the given fraction in descending order, that means from big to small. So let me begin. The fractions are 5 by 17, 4 by 9, 7 by 12. So we need to find out the LCM, and the LCM will be 612. So the value which we are going to get is 180, 272, 357. Now I am going to split them. 180 by 612, 272 by 612 and 357 by 612. 12। तो यहाँ सबसे बड़ा कौन सा है? 357, उसके बाद है 272, उसके बाद है 180। तो अब इसका एक्चुअल फ्रैक्शन क्या है? 7/12। दिस इज ग्रेटर। नंबर 2 क्या है? 4/9। दिस फ्रैक्शन इज ग्रेटर देन 5/17। सेकेंड वन, 7/12, 11/36, 37/72. So here the LCM will be 72. तो हमारा नंबर जो मिलेगा वो है 42, 22 एंड 37। सो इसको स्प्लिट करते हैं। 42/72, 22/72 एंड 37/72. So the biggest number here is 42/72, followed by 37/72, and lastly it is 22/72. So इसका एक्चुअल फ्रैक्शन हो गया 7/12. दिस इज ग्रेटर देन 37/72 and this is greater than 11/36. Question number 6. We have to arrange the following fraction in ascending order. Ascending order is mean from small to big. So the first one is 7/8, 15/16 and 5/6. So next step is we have to find the LCM, that is 48. So 42, 45 and 40. I'm going to separate the fractions. 42/48, 45/48, 40/48. अब असेंडिंग में छोटा से बड़ा, तो सबसे छोटा है 40, followed by 42, then 45. Now we will write the actual fraction. So 5/6 is smaller than 7/8, which is smaller than 15/16. Second one, 3/4, 15/22, 26/33. So the LCM is 132. So the figures are 99, 90, 104. So 99/132, 90/132 and 104/132. तो यहाँ सबसे छोटा है 90, वो हो गया एक्चुअल फ्रैक्शन उसका 15/22. दिस इज स्मॉलर देन 99, एक्चुअल फ्रैक्शन है 3/4. दिस इज फर्दर स्मॉलर देन 104, एक्चुअल फ्रैक्शन है 26/33. Third one, 5/12, 1/4, 7/8 and 5/6. So the LCM is 24. Now the digits are 10, 6, 21 and 20. So 10/24, 6/24, 21/24 and 20/24. So the smallest is 6, then is 10, then is 20, then is 21. Now 1/4 is smaller than 5/12, which is smaller than 5/6, which is smaller than 7 by 8. So with this we come to the end of exercise 6.4. Thank you.
Thanks for watching my video, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon and select all for every update.